I came here, wasn't feeling so well. I feel much better now. We're working hard to get me all the way back. I have to be back because we still have to make America great again. We've done an awfully good job of that, but we still have steps to go, and we have to finish that job.
Words from President Trump there. The president posted a 4-minute video on Twitter this evening from Walter Reed Medical Center after being diagnosed with COVID-19. Welcome back, and thank you for joining us on Fox 44 News. I'm Noelle Mendoza. The coronavirus has killed more than 200,000 Americans and infected more than 7.3 million in the U.S. This as President Trump, along with First Lady Melania and other politicians, battle the virus. Fox News correspondent Alex Hogan has more from New York.
The team and I are extremely happy with the progress the president has made.
President Trump's medical team giving an update on his health after he and the First Lady were diagnosed with the coronavirus.
Thursday, he had a mild cough and some nasal congestion and fatigue, all of which are now resolving and improving.
The first couple are not the only public figures infected. Several close advisors and allies, including 2 Republican senators on the Judiciary Committee, also tested positive for COVID-19. Some lawmakers are raising concerns about whether additional politicians may have been exposed to the virus. Democratic strategist Christine Pelosi, daughter of House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, says the U.S. is far away from considering the nation's presidential lines of succession.
At this point, we don't see any evidence that the president is incapacitated, only that he's on a fairly aggressive treatment for coronavirus.
President Trump flown to Walter Reed National Military Medical Center in Maryland on Friday. The White House says Mr. Trump's visit is precautionary, and he's expected to spend the next few days working from the hospital's presidential suite.
We are monitoring him very closely for any evidence of complications from either the coronavirus illness or the therapies that we are prescribing to make him better.
In statements of condolences, some governors are also warning the threat of the pandemic is far from over. Michigan Governor Gretchen Whitmer stating, quote, "The virus doesn't care if you're rich or poor, a Republican or a Democrat, young or old. No one is immune, not even the president." The White House medical unit is tracing administration officials who may have come in contact with the president. Many have been tested for COVID-19. However, it can take several days to trace the full scale of the outbreak. In New York, Alex Hogan, Fox News.